In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove volume from Ctrader. If your charts feel cluttered or you want to focus purely on price action, taking the volume display off your chart is quick and reversible. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can make your workspace cleaner and easier to read. First, launch Ctrader and give it a moment to load your workspace. You'll see your watch lists, the active chart area, and any indicators that were saved with your layout. No need to change any settings here. We're simply going to interact with the chart that already shows the volume. Next, open the chart where the volume indicator appears. This is important because indicators are applied per chart. If you have multiple symbols open, make sure you're on the specific chart that shows the volume bars you want to remove. You can click into that chart to make it active so the controls are visible. Now, locate the volume indicator itself. In Ctrader, volume typically appears as a subchart beneath the main price chart with vertical bars. You'll often see a small title area or header on that subchart labeled volume. If you don't see the header immediately, hover your cursor over the top edge of the volume panel to reveal its controls. With the volume panel selected, click the close icon at the top right of the volume indicator. This icon usually looks like a small X. Be careful to click the X on the volume panel itself, not the one for the main chart window. If you hover and see icons for settings or visibility, the X will be next to those. One click is all it takes. You don't need to confirm in a separate dialog. Once you click the close icon, the volume bars and their subchart should disappear from your chart. The main price chart will expand to fill the space that the volume panel previously occupied, giving you a cleaner view. If you still see volume after clicking, make sure you remove the indicator on the active chart and not a different one. Also, try hovering again to confirm you're targeting the volume panel's header. A quick note before we wrap up: removing volume affects only the current chart. Other charts and layouts won't be changed. If you apply or switch templates later, that can reintroduce indicators, depending on the template settings. And if you ever want volume back, you can easily add it again from your indicators list. That's all there is to it. You've just removed the volume from your Ctrader chart for a cleaner, distraction-free view.